Hi everyone. So today I'm talking about the Aquanet Professional Hairspray. This version of Aquanet's hairspray is for folks with thick hair. So that's why they call it the extra super hold version of Aquanet hairspray. So as someone with hair that is slightly thick, I have a mixed review of this product. On very humid days where it's 80, 90 degrees and I'm trying to create a hairstyle and keep it in place, I find that Aquanet does not do the job. On days where it's 60 to 70 degrees out and I use this product, then this product does do the job. And I think humidity has a lot to do with it because the hotter you are, the more you sweat, and I think the sweat cancels out the hairspray that you put inside your hair. With that said, I'm not sure whether this would be the best product for someone with thicker hair. According to the back side of the product, it does say it provides greater holding power for hairstyles that demand superior control. You know, Aquanet created this product designed for people with thick hair, but in my experience, it doesn't live up to what it says on the back of the bottle. As far as the actual packaging of this product, this is I've used about 3/4 of this. So right now when I'm holding this in my hand, it's pretty lightweight. As a whole, it comes in a nice sturdy container. I tried it and I still use it to this day. I live in an area where the seasons change pretty rapidly, so it's not summer all the time here, so sometimes it can be winter. And when it's cold out and things like that, I find that the hairspray has a much better success rate. It gives a scent of fresh fragrance. That's what they call it anyways. So when I spray this, it smells fruity. So I'm just going to show you real quick. So I'm just going to pop the top off real quick. Just going to put the top to the side. And then I'm going to spray this into the air. So that is basically what I would do on my hair each morning before I would go to work. And when I smell this, it smells, rather fruity. Maybe that's just my sense of smell, but it definitely smells fresh. It doesn't smell bad or anything like that. One thing that I have learned when using this product is that you definitely don't want to use too much. A few sprays is really all you need, because if you press down on the trigger and you spray your head for a minute, that's going to make your hair very sticky and it's going to feel very rough to the touch. And once you get home, you're going to want to take a shower right away. So I highly recommend that less is more. Only do a few sprays on the trigger. For people like me whose hair is slightly thick and can get rather frizzy, this should be your go-to when it's winter, spring, and fall. Summer, not so much. Summer, I like to put my hair up a lot. And I think I also put my hair up a lot because it doesn't work for me during the summertime. As far as how I got this product, I believe I was searching around online. I definitely have purchased it 2-3 times. One thing that I've noticed is that as the supply gets depleted inside the bottle, the spray, if I just pop off in the top again, the spray will either get clogged or it won't connect with the liquid inside the bottle, and it's very hard to get any type of spray out. So just keep that in mind when you buy this product, that you might not get every last drop. As far as storage goes. It's a good sized bottle, so it's not something that you can necessarily keep in your purse unless you have a very big purse. You can keep it on your dresser, but as far as storing it inside a drawer, that might prove to be rather tricky given the size of this bottle. For me personally, I don't carry it inside my purse. I like to keep it on my dresser, and I will spray it in my hair before work every day, and then I'll go off to work, and that will be that. So this is just a little bit more of the directions and things like that for people who didn't see it earlier. But other than that, this is just an overview of the Aqua professional hairspray that I have, and I hope you enjoyed listening.